Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use self-timer on your Fuji X-Series camera. So as you can see, I have a Fuji X-T2 here, but it's pretty much the same with any other X-Series camera. The settings are same. So first, we go to menu, and from there, shooting settings. That's where we are gonna. It's like the third one, and then from there, self timer is the second one. For now it is turn off, so we are gonna turn it on. You have two different options here: 2 seconds and 10 seconds. It depends on the circumstances. If you are shooting in low light, long exposure, then maybe we need 10 seconds, and sometimes we need that much of time for our own portraits and when we take good photos. Sometime 2 seconds are just fine. So just to show you, I'm gonna go with 10 seconds. That's it. And then we go and shoot. As you can see, there is a timer here. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. All right. Picture has been taken. So friends, this is how you simply can use self timer on your Fuji X-Series camera. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.